Oh, I go on, people. You don't know, say the Yaadman Sports in a minute represent for the World Championship. Day few recap on the day 3 preview, you see me? And you don't know, so day few did say drama. But see, on day 3, but we set the thing in a hard and my father, you see me? So on day few, you don't know, say a beer sitting they go on. All of the 400 meter runner them on the man them side and on the woman them side forward through to the semi-final. And you don't know, so the 400 meter hurdle runner them Jail and Russian make it through to the semi-final, you see me? Akila Smith never make it through with the long jump and Samantha R never make it through with the discus. But we have one more thing for discus. When you see Adele, she could get to say hello from the outside because she never make it through in the 1500 meter. But you see she now the new national record holder and that we have feature. My teacher. But yeah, man, I write so the ball and the drama start my father. Cause you see now the 110 meter hurdles, Ansel make it through and Bennett make it through. But when you see Brad Belt, you're supposed to get Alloway one crossing back with the Brad Belt. The man knock over the second to last hurdle and I make it through. I don't think they make me screw. John was that. But yeah, man, Patchy, Bennett. Oh, and I don't know if you're going to take it. Right, yes, I know, you see how we get excited. Because they run left them young forward out, you see me? Because you have Shelly, a.k.a. Rennie, a.k.a. Muma Rocket, a.k.a. Red. Because she move like Cableton daughter with the red hair. And then you have Sherika, a.k.a. Dengue Fever, because she had Atopic Track, a.k.a. Bingo, because of the panty, of course, a.k.a. Cucumber, because she just cool with it. Them gone through to the semi-final. Natasha Morrison, through to the semi-final. Sasha Lee Fabs, through to the semi-final. We just did it right now with my Sharkisha rival. You see me? So right now, the men's 100 meter finals will reach. I will make up a mind so we go forward and beat and teach. Because Civil reach and Ford reach. But hear me now, my father, he never goes to plan it. Because you see, no one lies. Yes, lies can never run the 965. We take the first place and we take 4th and 8th place. But we're not feeling a disgrace because we are going to fix it in the relays. So forward and now to the day 3 preview. We have the 400 meter hurdles for the woman them are forward. The Clayton, Russell and Knight. You don't know say a fight they are going to fight. And then we have the 400 meter hurdles semi-final with Hyde and Clark. And after you ask if you are going to run the way out. And then we have the triple jump final with Jade and Ibert. Just watch and see. Watch and see. When I watch out for the 110 meter semi-final with Patchy and Bennett. And straight at the final we are going to send it. You see me? The men's final for the discuss, we have nothing to discuss. Because Lakers and Smichael now go there for Eagle. The 100 meter woman them in the semi-final. Just watch out for the wig them and the time them. You see me? The woman them in the 400 meter semi-final with the Young, Price and McLeod. We'll make it to the final. We not no doubt. Yeah, me no man, you see the finals for the 110 meter hurdle. We're begging man to put on them belt and woman to put on the girdle. Because we don't want in the belly button drop out with the excitement. And yeah, me no man, the big thing, the 100 meter final for the woman them. All me I go say, watch and see. Watch and see how we deal with it. Watch and see. You don't know now the Yaadman Sports in a minute. I'm out.